Dun dun. Hey guys, now today we have the Nubia Z70s Ultra. Okay, orange color, and this is the photographer edition. Yes, so this is another super powerful camera phone from Nubia. For this photographer edition, and this time they have orange and black two colors, and now I got the orange color, and it's the artificial there's the material back panel, and also you can find the camera zone is surrounded by a red circle, and also it get a red dot neo vision, and the dimension of our device is 163 millimeters, length and width 76 millimeters, and also the thickness is 8.6 millimeters. They use the aero aluminum frame, and also the weight is just 2 to 8 grams. If compared with the most powerful camera in the market, and this weight, the control wheel, and also the thickness is better thin than the other devices. And also we can go to the settings to check the more information about the device. And this time they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 Elite processor. It's a 3nm producing technology, and also they use the LPDDR5X and the UFS 4.0, and it also have a built-in 3D cubic vapor chamber cooling system. And about the screen, this time they use a 6.85-inch GDIQ9 material AMOLED screen, and it supports 1.5K display resolution. The screen to bit ratio reached to 95.3%, and also they use the 7th generation UDC Ultra on the screen technology screen. So we will go to the front side, we cannot find the camera under the screen. And also about the screen, they use the 144 Hz refresh rate, and also the peak brightness reached to 2008. Okay, and also the 2509 Hz high frequency PWM brightness adjustment. So also make this screen super powerful. Display performance super nice. And this is a Nubia Z70s Ultra photograph edition. So we have to talk about the camera, of course. And for the Nubia, not like the Vivo, they focus on full focal range. The Nubia 70s Ultra, they focus on the 35mm aperture, and also the full display screen is pretty nice. Now we go to the camera, and for this device they use the 64 megapixel periscope, 85mm focus, and support OIS. Also a 50 megapixel wide angle and macro 122 degrees plus 2.5 centimeters macro camera. And now we are testing the zoom, because this time they use the 35mm main camera. It supports optical adjustable, and the 5th generation Neo Master is the walkaway is OV to provide this Master 990 sensor. And also this time the camera provides a lot of mode, like the sunset mode, even it's under the control drawer, and also take photos against the light. You can get nice pictures. And here is the portrait mode. Yes, as I mentioned, it used the 35mm. The main camera's aperture is close to the eye angle, so it can get a display, and also the customized big sensor, f1.3-inch Master 990, and also the 1.6 big aperture, so you can control the night view and get a real skin, and the background balcony control wheel. And all this time they worked with the AI algorithm to provide better details and atmosphere. This time they also provide a physical buttons for the camera. You can half press for the focal and full press for the camera shooting, and this can improve the control And also this is the future mode of the camera. It's a full display screen, so you can really get an amazing display performance, and you can double click to exit the future mode. And also this is the advantage of the camera, and also the biggest disadvantage is because it's used 35mm, so it can get some limited for the aperture. It's for 35mm, it's better for the environment and half human, but it's not for the full body, and it's not also not good for the telephoto night vision. Yes. And also this time for the AI, they use the 8 classical film filter, and also the AI can improve the face features and can keep your eyebrow, hair details, make it more smooth and look better. And for the against light, and also have a sunset mode, as I mentioned, to get better performance. Yeah, so this is the introduction of the camera part. And besides this is get a battery 6600, and also 80 watt capable fast charging, and also is also combined with the DeepSeek, the big mode. And also we can have some other sample tests like the macro. Yes, and we can put it back because it's a full display, and we can put it on the ground, and if you go away and you cannot find the phone because it's blended with the surrounding environment. Okay, so this is the Nubia Z70s Ultra, the new flagship model from Nubia, and also we can have some samples pictures of the smartphone at the end of the video. I'm show you. Now I'm going to show you the more sample pictures of the camera, and you can enjoy it. So this is today's my content. Let's just stay handed waiting for more catch up from here. Bye bye. Recording. Okay, now video is recording now. Yes, both of them are okay. Get a different camera specification, and of the video support 4K and 8K recording, and our anti-shake off macro. Nice. So which one you prefer? The sunset. Okay, you can check difference. Nice.